Hey, so what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different because today's video I'm not going to be telling you how to actually make money online, but in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid scams that try to teach you how to make money online, and there will actually be no real return on your investment for you. Okay, so I want you guys to watch this video very closely because something is unfolding in front of our eyes. Yes, all of these YouTube ads that keep coming up, okay, and all these fake people and fake gurus who come online, they run these ads on Facebook, they run these ads on Instagram, they run these ads on Google, on YouTube. They pay for fake reviews, fake 5-star reviews. Just check out Kevin David's Trustpilot profile. All of the reviews are paid for and fake. He can't even contest this information. Okay, they can try to. Okay, that's really up to them. And all of these fake gurus actually hate people like us who expose them, people who are out there for free speech. And the first thing that fake gurus actually do once you expose them is actually they send you all of these lawyers letters. They try to get in contact with you, or they call it name slandering and defaming and shaming them. Okay, but it's simply not true, because what's currently happening is that these gurus are taking away free speech from us. Okay, they don't want people to know that they are actually scamming them. And the newest scam, not actually a very new scam, a very old scam that's been going on for many years, is actually Raging Bull. Now currently, as you can see, look at the search results. CoffeeZilla did a video on this about 6 hours ago. I'm a bit late. I'm hungover. I had a whole case of beers yesterday by myself, so I'm a bit late. I'm really sorry, guys. But the FTC says stock tip site Raging Bull really a fraudulent bear. Okay, as you can see, all of these results are just a few hours old. I'm talking about these ones here. But as we go down, we can see some that go back to 2015, even some that go back to 2014, which is this one right here. Now it just goes to show that these people haven't changed. Okay, they only want your money. There is no real secret to what they are actually teaching you. And if you want to get good at something or start making money online, you need to ignore ads like this one showing up here. Okay, the reason why these ads are showing up is because I'm digging into all of these make money online schemes. So Google sees me researching this, typing this in the search bar, and they serve me ads like this and all over YouTube. And there's really nothing I can do about it but just put on the ad blocker. But I cannot, because if you have AdSense running on your websites, you cannot have an ad blocker active once you log into your WordPress dashboard. But that's a story for another day. But let's just read through this article. The FTC says bank records show the companies bilking consumers, many of whom are retirees or immigrants, out of millions of dollars each month. Many consumers have had their refund requests denied and had trouble cancelling their online services, the FTC says. Now this is just a few of the scammy things they do. Not only do they lie to you about actually teaching you real ways to make money online, but once you find out that it's crap, it's total crap, you can't get a refund. Okay, they've got all of these measures in place that would make it so difficult for you to get any of your money back at all. Ads of Bishop Services call him a genius trader who has made millions in the stock market. The company's website says Bond is a former gym teacher who taught himself to trade stocks and rid himself of $250,000 in debt. The company's marketing materials don't tell consumers that Bishop and Bond primarily derive their incomes from Raging Bull customers' subscription fees, not from stock and options trades. The suit says that they have incurred substantial and persistent losses from their own stock and options trading activities. Now guys, you can really now see that the FTC is busy with these guys. Okay, it's not going to stop with them. More and more of these fake gurus who actually sell these crappy courses, they don't make money online teaching what they told you. okay, teaching what they taught you, okay. They are making money from the courses they are selling. That's how they can afford these big houses, these nice cars, because that's why these courses are also so expensive, so they can afford it, and they have to project this lifestyle. The thing is, what actually makes money in today's world, and especially this time during COVID-19, is selling people a dream which they will never ever achieve, and that's how people make money, okay. If you guys need to learn that people are lazy, okay. People want the easy way out, um and that's why many of us get fooled. I've been fooled multiple times in the past, okay. You get some of these fake gurus. They are so advanced with the stuff they are saying. They can even fool a lot of experienced and veteran marketers or people who are already making money online, promising you to increase the amount of money you are earning, but it's all just a lie, okay. None of these fake gurus and the stuff that they actually sell can actually make you any money, okay. Yes, they do give their own perspective on it, but the way they teach these people in what how to make money online is their own perspective. It's not actually what works. All of the information on how to make money online is actually free. And what these courses are actually is that it saves you time from researching it yourself. But the only way you guys will ever make money online is if you take action. You need to find a method of doing it which you are comfortable with, okay. If you are not comfortable doing YouTube, don't do YouTube. If you already spend a lot of time on Facebook, start using Facebook as a platform to make money online, okay. Create Facebook pages, join these Facebook groups, okay. Comment on people's comments, sell cooking products on clickbait, but you have to put in the work. Yes, you're going to fail multiple times. My first affiliate commission actually came from Facebook. You can make money with Facebook, okay. It doesn't mean you can make $1,000 a day, but you can make some money with Facebook, okay. Not running ads, just joining these groups, talking with people in these groups, okay. I joined the vegan groups, I joined the cooking groups, and I was sharing helpful tips and comments, sharing recipes online, and then sending them to an affiliate product afterward. That's how it works, okay. Later on, I moved over to different platforms like Pinterest. Franklin Hatchet's got a really great video about Pinterest, and that's where I actually started making a lot more of my commissions with Pinterest, and in conjunction with the website and collecting people's emails. And I sold them on vegan products, which were all from clickbait as well. And that's basically how I made money online on a more consistent basis. It wasn't consistent, it's still not as profitable as I would like it to be, okay, because the market is so saturated. But that's why you have to start with one thing and move on to the next, okay. That's just how it works, guys. I made many mistakes. I've had like 15 YouTube channels before any one of them actually got success, okay. Out of 15 YouTube channels today, it's 18. Only 6 are actually getting success. This specific channel is one of them that's actually getting success, okay. Some of the others are also growing at a very slow pace. Others are actually taking off. But how did I do it? I actually went out and attempted it. I failed a few times. I learned my mistakes. I didn't repeat the mistakes, and I actually went on to make money online by doing it properly, okay. But that's all from me for today, guys. I just want to show you guys what these fake gurus are actually talking about. So this is WashingtonPost.com. This is the article right here. If you guys need to watch it, if you guys want to go read it for yourself, but this is just to show you guys how these fake gurus actually operate. So my advice to you guys is, number one, be safe. Okay, when you are seeing these ads and when you see people that are bragging or showing their lifestyles about how much money they make, it's all fake. It's all fake. It's a hook. You guys need to avoid it. Tip number 2 is pick a method for you guys where you can actually learn to make money online. Whether it's YouTube, whether it's with Instagram, whether it's with Reddit, whether it's with Facebook, just do it that way. And then Find a good affiliate product. That's tip number 3. Do your research about the affiliate product. Don't sell crap to people, because people will, word of mouth spreads faster than any of your content can actually go. Because if a product works for someone and you know that it's a good product, that person will tell someone else and they will start buying from you with even with your hard work of getting your own customers or owner viewers or followers yourself. Okay, and if you start making money, don't stop there. Try scale it up. If it's not scalable, attempt a new method, okay, and start generating money from that, because the commissions you earn from your first few sales can actually go on and create yourself more money, because you have to let your money work for you. Don't you work for money, because once you start living for money and working for money, you are going to become a slave of the system, and money will control your life. But make your money work for you. Okay, that's all I have to say for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some insight to this. I will leave the link down in the description. Okay, but anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.